My name is Michelle Walker and I am the nurse practitioner in our Houma location. Why did I want to become a nurse practitioner? I genuinely love to help people and make them feel their best. I started school at LSU and finished there, and then came home to Houma, local native, and I actually finished at Nicholls State University, one of their first nurse practitioner programs. One of my favorite things about working at Rejuvime is to really make a difference in people's lives and making them feel better. One of my favorite things at Rejuvime that we do is the hormone optimization. I love educating and teaching patients on testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, why it's important in the females as well as the males. My day-to-day at Rejuvime Medical consists of looking over patients' charts, preparing for the day, meeting with the patients, doing personalized treatment plans in accordance to their goals, and then calling patients to do follow-ups once we've started those treatment plans. Rejuvime Medical to me is different because we really sit down with the patient and let them understand their labs and how they're feeling in regards to their hormones. Then we identify their goals and develop a personalized treatment plan for each individual that we meet with.